Hi guys, this is a quick unboxing of the Lenovo Yoga 720 2-in-1 laptop. It is the 15-inch model. I got this from Best Buy. The original price is $13.99, but I got it on sale for $12.49, which I think is a great deal on a 4K laptop. It comes in this nice brown thick cardboard box with gold markings. The packaging looks nice, kinda like what you see with Apple products. Now let's see what's inside the box. The laptop itself comes in this nice sleeve. First box has the power brick. This other box has some documentation. And then the last box has the AC connector for the power brick. The color is platinum silver with an all aluminum finish. Looks nice and feels solid. Power connection port, one USB 3 port and headphone jack. Another USB 3 port, USB-C port and the power button. The screen is 4K UHD touchscreen with a resolution of 3840 by 2160, full-size backlight keyboard with fingerprint reader. Since this is a yoga laptop, you can use different modes to use it. Tent mode, stand mode, tablet mode, and of course regular laptop mode. Alright guys, that is the quick unboxing. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.